So we're going to do first one in red. So notice we have meters per second, and it is added to meters per second squared, and then multiplied by seconds. Okay, remember, if you're adding something, they have to have the exact same units. Notice they do not have the exact same units yet. But if we go over to this term, notice they're being multiplied. Okay, if they're being multiplied, this seconds is in the numerator. Second squared, denominator. So we're going to have to get rid of the seconds in the denominator and a seconds in the numerator. There was 2 seconds in the denominator, so we still have 1. Now we have meters per second plus meters per second. We can now add these terms, and we could just add whatever number was in front of them, but our label is now meters per second. The next one in black. So we have meters per second, seconds in the denominator, and we're multiplying that by seconds, so seconds is in the numerator. So notice we can cancel out a seconds in the denominator, seconds in the numerator. Now we go over here, we have 1/2. Notice it has no units, so we don't even need to worry about that as far as units go. And now we have meters per second squared. Second squared is in the denominator, and then it's multiplied by second squared, which is in the numerator. So second squared is going to cancel out completely. Notice we're going to have meter plus a meter, and so our units is going to be meters. Next one is in green. We have a meter minus a meter. Sure, you can do that. You're just going to be left with meters. So our numerator is not going to change. We know meters is going to be in our numerator. It's divided by seconds. Nothing cancels out. So our units would be meters per second. We have meters per second minus meters per second. Nothing cancels out there, so we'll have meters per second. Although notice there's another second in the denominator. So instead of putting it anywhere else, it's actually just going to go in the denominator, and it's going to be second squared, because it's going to be added to the denominator, or actually it's multiplied into the denominator. But meters per second squared.